Welcome to Natural Remedies.
Portable, quick, and packed with nutrients, protein shakes are the ideal fuel for your on-the-go kid. Protein is an essential macronutrient for people of any age. It not only helps the body build, maintain, and repair cells, but it's also important for your immune system and all of the body's muscles, including their heart. Protein requirements vary by age and gender, but a good rule of thumb is that kids need about a half a gram of protein for every pound that they weigh. For example, a 50-pound kid should have about 25 grams of protein each day. Very active children may need a little more protein, but they generally don't need as much protein as an adult. If you're worried about your child not getting enough protein from their meals, protein shakes are a wonderful way to pack in some protein along with a bunch of other healthy vitamins and minerals. Making them at home is usually much cheaper than buying them from the store. Try making one of these easy and healthy protein shake recipes for a simple breakfast or post-sports match snack. Almond butter and banana protein shake. Almond butter is an excellent source of heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, vitamin E, fiber, and iron. On top of this, a tablespoon of almond butter has over 3 grams of protein. A small serving of cottage cheese adds another 7 grams of protein to the shake. Ingredients: 1 frozen ripe banana, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, 1 tablespoon almond butter, 1/4 cup cottage cheese. Instructions: blend all the ingredients until smooth. Add a pinch of honey if it needs to be a little sweeter. Of course, if you don't have almond butter on hand, substitute for the more economical peanut butter. Peanut butter is also high in vegetable protein. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up and share the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more health tips and recipes.